Hey everyone. Today, I want to share some valuable tips on how to save and spend your money wisely. While many people face financial struggles due to a lack of income, for others, the issue lies in not managing their spending effectively. In fact, this might be a common challenge for all of us. In this video, I'll go through 7 strategies to help you handle your money better and reach your financial goals. First things first, track your finances. Before you can improve your spending habits, you need to know exactly where your money is going. It's often a mystery. Start by creating a budget and monitoring both your income and expenses. Yes, everyone says to do this, and there's a reason it's crucial. Once you have a clear picture of your spending, you can identify areas where you might be overspending and make adjustments. Next, think about the long-term benefits and drawbacks of your purchases. Too many people make impulse buys just to impress others. While a $1 chocolate bar might be harmless, splurging on a flashy car to show off to your neighbors, that's a different story. Before you make a purchase, ask yourself, how will this affect my finances in the future? Is it worth the cost? Remember, your neighbors probably aren't as impressed as you think they are. Third, only put money on your credit cards that you can afford to pay off each month. Credit cards can be helpful and even rewarding, but only if you manage them responsibly. If you pay off your balance every month, you won't incur interest, making it effectively the same as using cash. On the other hand, if you carry a balance, the interest can add up quickly. One effective strategy is to use the envelope method, allocate cash for different budget categories, and when the cash is gone, so is your spending in that area. Fourth, stop trying to impress other people. The average person spends too much just to maintain an image, fancy cars, designer clothes, you name it. Much of what we buy is driven by the desire to impress others, not by what we truly need or enjoy. Keeping up with the Joneses is an expensive trap. Focus on buying things that bring you joy, not things that make others think more of you. Fifth, identify what habits are draining your budget. After tracking your finances, take a close look at your spending habits. Are expensive hobbies, frequent dining out, or a clothing obsession eating away at your income? Once you pinpoint these financial drains, you can decide if they're necessary or if it's time to cut back. Sixth, learn to value savings over products. Some people naturally save while others tend to spend every dollar. If you're in the latter group, shift your mindset, prioritize saving. Money saved or invested usually benefits your future far more than money spent on fleeting products. For example, if you can invest your savings wisely, it can lead to significant growth over time. Finally, start investing as early as you can. Wise spending isn't just about avoiding unnecessary purchases. It's also about putting your savings to work. There's no such thing as investing too early or too little. Even if you're starting with just a small amount, focus on quality investments and build a watch list of companies you believe in. By preparing now, you'll be ready to seize great opportunities when they arise. I'd love to hear from you. What's the hardest part about saving money for you? How do you handle it? Leave a comment below, and I'll be sure to follow up. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more tips on investing and personal finance, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.